Over 90% of drivers are unknowingly throwing away hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every year on repairs and services they never actually needed. Mechanics and dealerships have been quietly protecting their profits by keeping these dead simple tricks hidden in plain sight. One of these hacks alone can stop you from wasting money on body shops and dealers. Stick with me because today I'm revealing 15 powerful car hacks that mechanics really don't want you to know. These will save you serious cash and keep your car running stronger longer. Let's dive right in. Hack number 15, Baking Soda Tail Light Restore. Those once crystal clear tail lights have turned foggy and yellow, making your car look old and worse, harder to see at night. Most people assume the plastic is permanently ruined and shell out $200-400 for new assemblies. Here's the truth they don't want you hearing. Grab a box of baking soda, mix it with just enough water to make a thick paste, and gently scrub the lenses with a soft sponge. The mild abrasive lifts away years of oxidation and UV haze without damaging the plastic. Rinse it off and watch the clarity come roaring back. For $1 you can restore every light on your car multiple times. After you're done, hit them with a thin layer of quality car wax. That wax acts like a shield, blocking UV rays and keeping that fresh look for months. It's such a simple two-step process, yet it completely changes how your car looks from behind. But if that just brought your lights back to life, wait until you hear how to fix paint damage for pennies. Hack number 14, Nail Polish Paint Fix. You spot a small rock chip or shallow scratch on your hood or door. It's not deep, but it bugs you every single time you look at it. Body shops charge $150-350 for minor touch-ups, and they love it because the profit margin is massive. Here's a better way. Go to any drugstore and pick up a bottle of clear nail polish that matches your paint's gloss level. Clean the scratch thoroughly, then carefully fill it with a thin layer of polish. Let it cure completely. From a few feet away, the scratch disappears. More importantly, the polish creates a waterproof seal that stops moisture and rust from getting underneath. For deeper scratches that reach bare metal, this also buys you time and prevents corrosion while you decide on a bigger repair. One $3 bottle can fix dozens of chips. You just took back control of your paint maintenance. But protecting the outside is only half the battle. Let's keep your interior looking brand new too. Hack number 13, Candle Wax Dust Shield. Your dashboard turns into a dust magnet no matter how often you wipe it. Dealers push $150-300 anti-static treatments, claiming it's the only solution. Here, what actually works for almost nothing. Take a plain white candle and lightly rub it across your dash in sections, then buff it out with a microfiber cloth. The thin wax layer repels dust, adds a subtle factory-like sheen, and makes future cleaning ridiculously easy. Dust literally slides right off. One $2 candle can treat your entire interior multiple times. Even better, that same wax barrier protects the plastic from UV rays and stops it from cracking and fatting over time. You're cleaning, shining, and preserving all at once. But if that just made your interior easier to maintain, this next hack will save your wheels from expensive damage. Hack number 12, Mirror Auto Tilt Parking Trick. Backing into a tight spot and having no clue how close your rear wheels are to the curb, we've all been there. One wrong move and you're looking at curb rash or bent wheels that cost hundreds to fix. Most modern cars have a hidden feature that solves this completely. When you shift into reverse, your side mirrors can automatically tilt downward to show you exactly where your tires are in relation to the curb. Check your owner's manual or play with the mirror controls while in reverse. It's usually just a setting you activate once. Once it's on, you'll never guess again. This built-in parking helper costs you $0 but prevents $800 one, $500 plus in wheel and alignment repairs over the life of your car. You already paid for it when you bought the vehicle, now it's time to use it. But saving your rims is just the beginning. Let's protect something even more expensive. Hack number 11, Pre-Cool Window Roll Down. On a scorching summer day, your car has been sitting in the sun and the inside feels like an oven. Most people jump in, blast the AC on max, and let the system struggle with superheated air, which wears the compressor harder and burns extra fuel. Instead, roll all 4 windows down for 20-30 seconds first. Let that blistering hot air rush out. Then close them up and turn on the AC. Your system will cool the cabin dramatically faster and with less strain. Compressor replacements: run $800 one, $500. This 30-second habit costs nothing and can add years to your AC system's life. But if that just helped your cooling system, this next one protects your whole car from modern thieves. Hack number 10. Foil-wrapped key fob. Car thieves are using relay attack devices that can grab your key fob signal from inside your house and unlock your car without ever touching the keys. The fix is ridiculously simple. When you're home, wrap your key fob in aluminum foil or drop it in an empty metal coffee tin. This creates a basic Faraday cage that completely blocks the signal. It costs nothing, yet does the same job as $20.50 signal blocking pouches. Bonus: constantly broadcasting also drains your fob battery faster. Wrapping it when not in use can make the battery last months longer. One sheet of foil stands between you and a potential $200 500 key reprogramming nightmare. But if that just secured your car, this next hack gets you moving again when your battery lets you down. Hack number 9. Soda can battery clean. You go to start your car and nothing happens. Pop the hood and you see white crusty corrosion all over the battery terminals. Most people assume the battery is dead and call for help. Here's a trick mechanics have known forever: pour a little Coca-Cola over the corroded terminals and let it fizz for a minute. The acid dissolves the corrosion on contact. Wipe it clean, reconnect, and very often your car fires right up. A can costs about $1.50. Shops charge $75 $150 for the same service. Clean terminals restore full power and can make a battery that seemed completely dead work perfectly again. You might just save yourself an unnecessary new battery. But if that just revived your battery, let's make your entire engine bay look and perform better. Hack number 8. WD-40 Engine Bay Refresh. Mechanics love pointing at a dirty engine bay and quoting you $100 $200 for a professional detail. You can achieve most of those results yourself in 15 minutes with a can of WD-40. Spray the terminals to stop corrosion, hit metal connectors to displace moisture, and lightly coat rubber hoses and belts to keep them flexible and crack-free. It cleans grime and leaves everything looking sharp and protected. One $5 can does multiple treatments. Keeping terminals clean prevents starting issues that shops blame on bad batteries. Regular use stops rubber parts from drying out and leaking. This is real preventative maintenance that cuts future repair bills. But if that just freshened your engine bay, this next one can erase mysterious warning lights for free. Hack number 7. Battery disconnect computer reset. Check engine light comes on, car runs rough, and the shop immediately quotes you $150 $400 in parts. Before you pay anything, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes. This resets the car's computer completely, clearing temporary glitches and error codes caused by corrupted data. Reconnect, start it up, and let it relearn for a few minutes. This simple reset fixes rough idle, sluggish response, and random lights on a surprising number of cars. Shops know this trick. They often do it quietly after charging you for a full diagnostic. Now you can do it yourself in your driveway. But if that just saved you diagnostic money, let's protect your fuel system from premature failure. Hack number 6. Quarter tank fuel pump saver. Running your tank almost empty might feel like you're stretching your gas money, but it's actually destroying your fuel pump. When fuel drops below a quarter tank, the pump starts sucking up sediment and runs hotter without proper lubrication. This shortens its life dramatically. A new fuel pump job can easily cost $600 $200. Keep your tank above a quarter whenever possible. You're buying the same gas anyway, you're just protecting one of the most expensive components in your fuel system. This single habit prevents one of the most common and profitable repairs shops see. But if that just saved your fuel pump, let's silence those annoying squeaks. Hack number 5. WD-40 Hinge Silence. Hood squeaking every time you open it, mechanics will happily charge $40 $60 to lubricate it. Spray a little WD-40 directly on the hinges, work the hood up and down a few times, and the noise vanishes instantly. Do the same for your trunk, doors, and fuel door. A $5 can prevent metal-on-metal wear that eventually leads to loose hinges and expensive fixes. Prevention always beats repair. But if that just quieted your hinges, this next one will save you on tire maintenance forever. Hack number 4, DIY tire swap. Tire rotation quotes of $50 100 every few months add up fast. With a jack, lug wrench, and jack stands, about $31 investment, you can do rotations yourself in 30 minutes. Your owner's manual shows the exact pattern. You already own most of the tools. Doing it yourself also lets you inspect brakes, catch uneven wear early, and avoid the upselling that happens at tire shops. Once you have the stands, every future rotation is completely free. But if that just saved you on rotations, let's keep your steering wheel feeling premium. Hack number 3, wet wipe wheel preserver. Steering wheels get sticky and worn from hand oils, sweat, and UV damage. Replacement or reconditioning can run $150 400. Keep a pack of unscented baby wipes or auto wipes in the glove box. A quick wipe every few drives removes the oils before they break down the material. One $3 pack lasts months and works on the shifter, door handles, and all high-touch areas. Regular cleaning prevents the damage that creates big repair bills. But if that just preserved your interior, this next hack will wake up your engine performance. Hack number 2, DIY throttle body flush. Rough idle, hesitation, and dropping fuel economy often point to carbon buildup in the throttle body. Shops charge $150 300 for cleaning. You can do it yourself for under $10. Buy a can of throttle body cleaner, remove the intake tube, spray the plate while gently opening it with the gas pedal, let it soak, then idle the car to burn off residue. Do this every 20-30-000 miles and you'll keep power and efficiency strong without ever paying shop prices again. Hack number 1, dead weight fuel drainer. Your car is probably carrying around 50-200 extra pounds you've completely forgotten about: tools, sports gear, old junk in the trunk, or even a roof rack that's always attached. Every extra 100 pounds can cut fuel economy by 1-2%. A roof rack alone can destroy highway mileage by up to 25% from wind drag. Take 1 hour and empty everything you don't need. You'll immediately feel better acceleration, improved MPG, and less strain on brakes and suspension. This is the easiest, completely free performance upgrade available, and mechanics will never tell you about it because they'd rather sell you expensive fuel system cleanings instead. So which of these hacks surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one. If this video just saved you money or will in the future, smash that like button and subscribe for more no BS car advice that actually puts cash back in your pocket. Your next video is waiting. Click it now and keep learning how to stay ahead of the repair shops. See you in the next one. Drive safe.